Hey designers! In this video, we'll create a shiny background motion graphic in After Effects. Let's dive right in. Start by creating a new composition. Once that's done, add a new solid layer. Now, head over to the Effects and Presets panel and search for Fractal Noise. Apply the Fractal Noise effect to the solid. Let's tweak some settings to achieve the look we want. First, increase the contrast to around 350 for a sharper texture. Next, lower the brightness to about -45 to add some depth. Then, go to the transform properties within Fractal Noise and scale it up to around 200 to 250 to make the pattern larger and more impactful. Once you're done, close the Fractal Noise properties to keep things organized. Now, go back to Effects and Presets and search for Minimax. Apply it to the same solid layer and adjust the radius to about 30 to 40, which will enhance the boldness of our texture. Close its properties once you've set the radius. Next, look for Colorama in Effects and Presets and apply it to the solid. Under Output Cycle, explore the color presets available, like Fire, Moldy, Sepia, and more. I'll go with Sunset for this example. You can also customize the colors by double-clicking on any color point in the cycle to pick one that fits your vision. Once you're satisfied, close the Colorama properties. Finally, go back to Effects and Presets and find CC Ball Action. Apply it to the solid and adjust the grid spacing to around 20 to 30% to add a grid effect. Then decrease the ball size to about 40 to 50%, giving the texture a refined look. Close the properties of CC Ball Action, and now you have a shiny, dynamic background ready to go. Now, go back to Effects and Presets and search for Glow. Apply glow to the solid layer. Increase the glow radius to around 80 to 90% to create a softer, diffused light effect that enhances the shine. When you play the animation at this stage, you'll notice it's still static. To create movement, we'll add a simple expression to bring this background to life. Close the glow properties, then reopen the Fractal Noise properties. Find the evolution option, hold down the Alt key, and click the stopwatch next to it. In the expression box that appears, type time *50. This will give the fractal noise a continuous, animated evolution, adding a sparkling, glittery effect. Feel free to go back to Colorama if you want to experiment with different colors. You can adjust the color directly by double-clicking any color point in the output cycle or selecting from the presets to match your desired look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If it was helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Ace Designs for more tutorials like this.